They called him Ibrahim. Mechanic. Broke. Greasy hands. The kind of man life forgets to reward. But he never forgot others. Deep in a rundown garage on the edge of nowhere, he fixed scooters for pennies. He didn't talk much, didn't dream big. But when a woman walked in, carrying her daughter in her arms, everything changed. The girl couldn't walk. Her legs trembled like wind-blown leaves. The mother didn't ask for car repairs. She asked for something no machine could give. I just need someone who still believes in trying. And Ibrahim looked at the broken chair she wheeled her daughter in with, and said the only thing that mattered. Let me take a look. That night, Ibrahim didn't sleep. He dug through junk piles, stripped metal from rusted frames, turned broken gears into promise. He watched videos, studied walker mechanics, bent steel with blistered hands. He didn't know if it would work, but he knew he had to try. By morning, the garage smelled like oil, but something new stirred in the air, hope. When the girl returned, Ibrahim wheeled out his creation. A walker, strange, imperfect, but built with everything he had. He crouched beside her, looked into her eyes and said, "Let's take one step together." Slowly, she did. Her feet trembled but moved. Her mother covered her mouth. Ibrahim said nothing, just smiled and wiped the sweat from his brow. In that moment, he gave them something no hospital ever could. Faith in forward motion. As the girl walked, her mother broke, tears spilled, and then came the truth. She reached into her bag and pulled out a check. Ibrahim stepped back. "No, thank you," he whispered. "I didn't do this for money." The woman smiled, folded the check, and said softly, "I'm not just a mother. I'm the founder of the Phoenix Foundation." Ibrahim blinked. "We fund people who change lives. Quietly, selflessly. Like you." She handed him a card. "Call me tomorrow. You're not going back to fixing scooters. You're going to help children walk all over the world." And just like that, the poor mechanic with nothing had built a billion-dollar movement without even knowing it. Ibrahim didn't become rich. He became valuable. He didn't ask for cameras or applause. He just kept building, kept helping. And when people asked how he changed the world, he shrugged, wiped his hands and said, "I saw a girl who couldn't walk, and I believed she could. So what's the lesson? You don't need millions to be meaningful. You need purpose, humility, and the courage to try, even when no one's watching." Some people fix machines, others fix hearts. Ibrahim, he fixed futures. And in doing so, he reminded us that the richest people in the world are the ones who lift others step by step.